Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. If you're ready to take your aerial photography to the next level without the steep learning curve, you're in the right place. Today, we're unboxing and putting to the test the new E69 Mini RC Drone, a quadcopter that's promising professional-grade features in a compact, user-friendly package. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Professional-grade imagery and control. First off, let's talk about the camera. The E69 is equipped with a professional-grade 8K Ultra HD dual camera that captures stunning, cinema-quality photos and videos. This isn't your average toy drone, it's designed to deliver exceptional detail and vibrant color, making it perfect for sweeping landscapes, travel vlogs, or creative projects. But what good is a great camera without great control? The E69 comes with a Wi-Fi remote controller that has a built-in high-resolution screen. This gives you an immersive, real-time FPV experience, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees as you fly. The intuitive controls make it easy to navigate complex environments, giving you the precision you need to get the perfect shot. Intelligent flight and unmatched safety. One of the standout features of this drone is its commitment to safety and stability. The intelligent obstacle avoidance sensors automatically detect and navigate around barriers in real time, drastically reducing the risk of collisions. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing the drone is working to keep itself safe. And when it comes to stability, the optical flow positioning system is a game changer. This feature ensures the drone holds its position with superior accuracy, even in windy conditions. The result? Incredibly smooth, cinematic footage every time you hit record. Designed for performance. Under the hood, the E69 is all about efficiency and durability. Its quadrotor design and high-quality brushless motors deliver agile maneuverability and a surprisingly quiet operation. These advanced motors also provide extended flight time, so you can spend more time capturing breathtaking shots and less time on the ground recharging. Final thoughts: the ultimate all-in-one drone. The E69 Mini RC Drone is a fantastic blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly operation. Its professional 8K camera, intelligent safety features, and robust design make it an ideal choice for both aspiring and experienced pilots. Whether you're looking to capture outdoor adventures, document your travels, or just have some fun in the sky, this drone offers a truly limitless possibility. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let us know what you think of this amazing drone in the comments below.